And then we can sing our song and we can play a game, because I think they'd be excellent. Very good. And it's a very busy time of year. So listen, okay, let's just do the days of the week. Okay, this one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So now, yeah, I think you're very good. So what did you want to? What did they want to do? The head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay, we're ready. Hang on, we'll all do it together. Okay, ready, steady, go. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Then eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, now, do we want to do it very fast? Okay, we'll do it very fast, but then, yeah, but then, exactly, that's just what I was going to say. We're going to do it fast, but then we stay sitting. Yes, we stay sitting in your chair, exactly. Okay, I don't want to see anybody on the ground. We sit on our chairs. Ready, steady, go. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Your chair. And now we're going to do it very slowly. You ready? Slowly.
That's not a word.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Very good. Okay, so what do they want to do now? You want to play the game?